tyre I changed. Also, that's got a chip in it, but I have that one there. Anyway, pretty good. It's alright hubcap, but the tyres went flat that I put on it yesterday, so yeah, I'll re-pump it up. I'm in the fully hectic Holden, fully hectic executive, and it's got the stockies with the hubcaps on it. It's got a fuel, the fuel thing, eh? She ain't no 67, mate, but this eco, they go into the hood will kick a wheel's ass, mate. The last of the good Commodores, in my opinion, well, quality built ones, like even half decent ones are better than half decent VTs. Sticky stick, like VT, most of them just junky spec. A lot more of these are like grandpa cars, literally. Like good shifter, like better than junky spec.